Let's say you're using PostgreSQL, and who doesn't these days, really? PostgreSQL supports SSL connections, so that complete traffic between your database client and the database server is encrypted. Let's connect to the database with PSQL. This works great and, in fact, requires SSL by default. You can verify this by running a simple query. As indicated by SSL column, connection is encrypted. But is that enough? When we open a website with HTTPS in the browser, we see a log icon telling us that this website is safe. This log is there because our browser or our laptop trusts the certificate of the website. And it trusts the certificate by trusting one of many certificate authorities that come pre-installed on your system. In this case, certificate of the website is verified by Let's Encrypt, and my laptop trusts Let's Encrypt certificate authority. Now, going back to the database connection, we never specified which certificate authorities we trust when we connect to the database server. Our database client blindly trusts any database server without checking its identity. Even though the connection is encrypted, we don't know if the database server is the one we want to connect to. Imagine a hacker tricking you into writing your data into a fake database and potentially stealing huge amounts of valuable information from you. PostgreSQL clients support multiple modes to enforce SSL. The one that we saw before is called require. What it does is it forces connection to go over SSL. But if you want to make sure that we connect to the right server, we should use verify full option. With this option, client will not only check it connects to a trusted server, it will also check it's exactly the server that was requested. Let's see this configuration in action. We can enable verify full mode with a simple environment variable. Export PGSSL mode equals verify full. If we try to connect now, we will get an error. This error happens because client tries to verify the server, but cannot find any certificate authority to verify the identity of the server. This is why we need to set another environment variable that will point to the certificate, PGSSL root cert, and then the path to the certificate. With both variables in place, we are able to connect to the database. Now we are 100% sure that data is encrypted in transit and that we send data to a trusted server. One final thing to note is that enabling verify full SSL mode can impact the performance. It takes extra processing power to encrypt and decrypt the data flow between the client and the server, so in some cases you have to be extra careful with this configuration. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Thanks for watching.